The product I'm talking about is by Breville, and I absolutely love this one because it's really easy to make lattes, cappuccinos. Also, if you love making hot chocolate, this is definitely a product for you. We're talking about the Breville Milk Frother. This piece right here is a detachable part, and you have a wide range of options when it comes to actually deciding how hot you want it. It goes from 120 to 160-degree Fahrenheit temperature. You turn this on and off, and I'm going to do this all, by the way. I'll demo this as well. What I love about this product as well is many times when you buy appliances, the cords are hanging everywhere. With this one, it is designed to have like a built-in kind of component that allows you to easily put the cords underneath so that you don't have to have cords hanging out with unnecessarily. And as you can see here, it has like a little lip over here that allows you to be able to just have this here so that when you have it on your countertop, you're not having to worry about having excess cords that you're going to be having lying around. What I like about it is that it's designed and it tells you directly how much milk you need to have to be able to have a hot chocolate or a latte, or if you see on this side as well, it'll tell you the minimum amount of milk you need to have in here to be able to, again, have either a latte or a cappuccino. This piece right here detaches, and this is the part that helps make the milk itself. It's easy to pour. It has the spout. This is something that you can easily just add in here. I'm just going to click on it. You heard probably a little beep. It will make the latte, the cappuccino easy. And if you wanted to do the hot chocolate while it's spinning, you can be able to remove this piece right here, add chocolate. This one, it basically makes about 3 cups of frothed milk. And it also has an auto shut off that it comes with 2 different discs. It has a latte disc. So if you remember, I popped out a little disc, and a cappuccino disc. The one that I have right now is the cappuccino disc. So that's why you're going to see it like very frothy type of milk that you're going to get here as well. And the fact that you can adjust the temperature. So in case you don't like super, super hot milk, you can actually lower the temperature, actually make it to a warmer temperature. I like mine really hot. And as you can see, it's finished. Let me just pop this out. It's nice and frothy. And we just have a nice cappuccino. So if you're interested, you're welcome to pick this up and add it to your shopping cart. Hope this was helpful in making your purchasing decision.